What's up, everyone? It's a wonderful day. And today, I'll show you what we have in store. Oh, it's gonna be dirty. 1 second. I need a rag. I need something. Yeah, well, whatever. We got ourselves a what does that look like? An intake manifold for the MR2. We got Chris here. It's a favorite guy that I like to work with. There he is. He's Filipino. I don't know if you can see that. He's Filipino.
I can see it in my eyes.
I'm white. So, yeah. So I decided I am not going to sand that down. And I'm going to paint it the same color that I did the valve covers on the 2JZ drift car. I think I have enough paint for that. One coat, I don't care. If I want to, I'll take it out later and polish it another day. But
Shame we don't have access to a sandblast.
I know. If it was sandblasted, that would be the best thing possible, but it's not. So, and Chris is going to help me out. He doesn't have to help me out. He can just hang out and drink beer. Because
I do best.
that's what I do best too. Yeah! One man is playing good stuff. But I just got it cleaned with some prep all. I'm going to scuff it down with some red Scotch Brite, and then do a little spray painting. Alright, well, it was hot in the garage, so we didn't really work on the car. And Chris left, so I've also decided that I do not want to paint that. I actually got some paint stripper, and I'm going to strip it all down and try to polish it the best I can. I got this quick stripper, right? Not the ones on the pole since I'm in Vegas. But we'll go ahead and spray it down. It says 15 minutes. Alright folks, this is the next day, and I just wanted to get on it a little bit earlier, and I got a wire brush, started wire brushing things, and I'm gonna say, whoever had this before me, whoever bought this, I'm gonna call you stupid. Because why would you paint a mating surface? Why would you paint this? That's dumb. And then didn't even block anything out. Look at the inside. You painted the inside of this. You painted the inside of this. Question is why? Why would you do such a thing? Because it doesn't do any good. So now I have to, once I finish taking off all this paint, this is the best I can do because everything else is, you know, super tight, like right there. And in here, at least it looks so much better, but if you look from behind, like where it's gonna sit, you'll see some red. Like I can't get any of that unless I have a sandblaster, which I don't. So yeah, this is already pissing me off. People doing stupid things like this. What's up, everyone? And today is the day that we install this beauty. There you go, look at that. Look at that. That is nice. Very nice. And it's gonna go in here. MR2Z. So, alright, today's the day that we do this. So, in order for me to get this all done, I have to take off the throttle body, take out the fuel rail, and after that I'll be able to take out the intake manifold. And just like before, let's get some tools. Alright folks, here's the progress. I think I'm going to just leave the injectors in, fuel rail in. I went underneath the car and took off the knock sensor, connector off, brackets that hold the intake manifold, and I'll show you how that I took it off on the other block that I have. And I started loosening up the studs or the nuts and bolts for the intake manifold, and after that, that should come out. So let's go ahead, finish her up. All right, intake manifold out. Woo-wee! So far, got the gasket. She's all soaked. Might have another gasket. Well, I should have another gasket. Yeah, she's out. And now we're gonna install, once I get my other gasket, this beast. This little guy. Go. Alright, so with the folks that don't know about the MR2s and how to take off intake manifolds, here it is on the stand. So basically when I was underneath the car, I was taking off these bolts. So let's see if we can get some better light. So basically I was taking off, that's a stud right there, stud here, stud here. Those are 12 millimeter nuts. After that, got a bolt here, here, and here. 12 mil also. And so with all of that, everything was very accessible underneath. Right here is your knock sensor. So right through here, you have another harness to your knock sensor, to your Tivis, right over here. I already deleted all of this already. And also on here, there's like a little vacuum, little something, and that will open and close your butterfly valves in your Tivis, TVIS. After that, you are pretty much done with removing the intake manifold. There it is. There it is. I just put one nut on there, on the stud. Looks really good so far. So I'm gonna go underneath and bolt up the bottom, and then kind of finish it off. All right, so it's all in. I torqued it to 114 inch-pounds. That should be, I don't know, roughly something foot-pounds. I don't know. It's a little late, but connectors, fuel rail in. I have some nipples right over here to install for the vacuum. And then after that, I'll button her all up. So yeah, she's looking good. I have it all in. I need to clean it a little bit better. I actually like it a lot. But yeah, let's go ahead and start her up. got a big vacuum leak, so let me go ahead and fix that real quick. Alright everyone, so that is going to be the video for the day. Yeah, we got some new parts. Custom racing, got a custom racing intake manifold, and from what I understand, and what I understand, I did some researching, and it is a Chris K custom or Chris K racing intake manifold. So that's what I have kind of figured out what it is. Looks good. Yeah, on the next video, I don't know, maybe hopefully find a place to dyno my car. I'm gonna start doing some light tuning on it, make sure that it's accepting and everything, air fuels are gonna be right with that manifold. Let's see. If you stuck around this long, just like before, please like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, there's not much left to do to the MR2 other than clean it. And hope to see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace out.